So okay, so selenium is basically provides some different kinds of locators. Like, okay, so this is my storage. So it is available at batch one actually. I just try to open. Oh, this is the document. So if you go to this document, so here so selenium basically provides so many kinds of locators. So locators we can locate the elements by making use of an ID property, or we can making use of by the class name property, or by making use of a tag name, input tag or button, whatever, a tag, start tag and tag. So then name is also one of the property. Then a link text. Say for example, there is some link is available on the web page. So what exactly the link of that particular web element? So by making use of that also we can element. So inside the link, partial link text is also there instead of providing the full text of the link. So if you provide partial link text, that will work. So one is X. One more thing is if we are not able to locate the web elements uniquely by making use of all these properties, so then we will go with something called advanced locators and XPath. So XPath is nothing but it is which is derived from XML. This is an XML query which is used to write it for HTML language, and we can get the identify the web element uniquely on the web page. CSS selector, it is inside the XPath. We have two kinds of XPath. One is absolute XPath, one more is relative XPath. So that we will discuss later. So then comes the CSS selector. Inside the CSS selector, CSS is nothing but cascaded style sheet. So inside this ID, class, and attribute and inner text are all there. So we will discuss all these things one by one. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll go with the ID property first. This got stuck again, I guess. Okay. So now we come back to this Facebook page, right? So now I want to inspect this email address field. Okay. So if I inspect this page and text, this is the button we have to click and go to this email password. So this is the HTML code for that particular web element. So here we have an ID property. So for this web element, the tag is input, and we have so many properties or attributes called type, class, name, ID, tab index, placeholder, value, autofocus. Like this, many attributes are there. So I am going with the ID attributes. That's it. So now I'll go back to my Eclipse and I'll just try to write one. I will minimize this everything. So we'll go to this project which we created, and I'll create dedicated class to practice locators. So I have to create a class for this. Okay, so it is so it is some class. I'll go back to this package. So if I start thinking about this recording, then my class will go slow. Okay, we'll pause this. Not okay. So now if I run this, it will open facebook.com. So log in Facebook.